Sidra says, I heard your previous post that all sea animals are halal. So my question is, sea animals also include shark and whale. How could they be halal as they eat humans? The ayah in the Qur'an clearly states that anything that lives in water is halal for us to consume. The exception would be if it's something harmful. So if there is an animal or a fish that if I eat it, I get poisoned and die. No, in this case, it cannot be consumed. Why? It falls under the general guidelines, because of other general guidelines. The Prophet said, "La darara wa la dirar." And Allah said, do not throw yourself in harm's way, do not kill yourselves. And the Prophet said, La darar, there's no harm to be inflicted by me or to be inflicted by others upon me. Anything that does this is haram. So sharks, whales, and the likes are halal, even if they consume humans, which is rare, but they consume other animals and they consume anything that has flesh in it. Abu Sa'id al-Khudri, may Allah be pleased with him, tells us in the hadith in Sahih al-Bukhari and elsewhere that they found a huge whale dead on the beach. So they ate from its meat for a whole month. And he described this huge whale in a way that is quite strange and shocking. But it shows you that whales were eaten at the time of the Prophet ﷺ. So all types of animals or fish that lives in the sea and cannot live elsewhere, they can be eaten regardless of what they consume, and Allah knows best.